In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save progress in Google Forms. This is a really handy feature, especially if you often find yourself working on forms over multiple sessions. Let's dive right in and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First, you'll want to open up your browser and head over to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log in with your Google account. Google Drive is your starting point to access various Google apps, including Google Forms. Once you're on Google Drive, look towards the top right section of the page where you'll notice an icon containing small squares. This is the apps icon. Clicking on this will open up a menu where you can find all the tools provided by Google. Now that you have the apps menu open, go ahead and click on the Forms icon. This will direct you to Google Forms where you can either create a new form or access existing ones. For today's example, let's assume you're working with a pre-existing form, like a quiz form you've started but wish to save your progress on. When you've selected your form, your next action is to click on the link icon located at the top right section of the page. This link icon is crucial as it allows you to share or revisit your form with ease. After clicking on the link icon, a box will pop up with various sharing options. Here you'll see a link that you can use to access your form later. Hover your mouse over the link and simply click to highlight it. Once it's highlighted, you can copy the link by right-clicking and selecting copy, or by using the shortcut Command C or Control C on your keyboard. Now with the link in hand, you'll want to send this to the person or people who need to interact with the form. This could be yourself if you're working alone and want to come back to it later, or to others if you're collaborating as part of a team. You can send the link via email, messaging apps, or any other communication tool you prefer. When the recipient or you access the form using the shared link, it's time to fill out the form's fields. As responses are typed into the form, you'll notice that your input is conveniently auto-saved as a draft. Google Forms has an integrated autosave feature, so there's no need to worry about losing your work if you need to pause and return later. To wrap things up, remember that this feature makes it incredibly easy to manage work and collaborate on longer form projects or quizzes that might require more time. And that's how you ensure your progress is saved when using Google Forms. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your experience with Google's powerful suite of tools.